Today I have got an exciting video. I'm really excited about this one. I have got the iHeart, it's the DreamWorks Shrek Revolution. So Revolution, Gingy, like gingerbread guy from Shrek. Advent calendar. You know what I'm on about. It says it's the Gingy 12-day advent calendar. I've actually got a cat called Gingy. Yeah. When I seen this is, I think, a Beauty Bay exclusive. This costs £45. When I seen this and I realised that the container was a tin, I was like, right, I think I need this in my life. Yeah, so I did get it. I actually love Shrek. I used to watch Shrek with Keem when he was growing up. So I'm really excited about this because I never got anything from the Shrek collection because I'm trying not to purchase too much makeup. I'm so excited about this. So this costs £45. So it's a pricey advent calendar. It's a 12-day advent calendar. And we're just going to unbox it anyways. And obviously you're getting to keep the tin. This is like a tin you can keep years and years. I mean, it's the most awkward shaped tin. But I'm keeping this tin for Christmas. Kind of gutted. I've just checked the price and they've reduced it down to 36. So I paid 45, but it is now actually on Beauty Bay at 36. So at the price I paid for it, it's $3.75 a day, but because it's 36, I'll go, it would be £3 a day. So £3 to $3.65, did I say? A day for this advent calendar. Kind of good, like, because literally I ordered this on next day delivery and it took 4 days to come. But let's not get into that. So here is the tin, and anyways, it's a really good, like, proper tin, and we're going to open it, and this is how it's laid out. Oh, I just love it. I'm sorry, I love it. This is how it is laid out. And we're just going to unbox it. So £3 a day basically will go by, because obviously it's reduced to that. So you have Shrek, I feel, is this? You've got like the Shrek logo on there. So this is day number 1. Let's see if it's worth the price. So the first thing we have got is a red lip product by the looks of it. And it is the Farquaad lip gloss. I do not wear red lip glosses. Very pretty in itself. Yeah, but I don't wear red lip glosses. So I'm watching that. But really cute. I just wish it was a matte. Like, I really do. I wish it was a matte. Because then I would have wore that like no. Like, I would have wore that so much. I love a red. So we're on day number 2. Now I feel like we've got Shrek and the little babies. And then we've got Puss in Boot and Donkey on there. Alright, so in day number 2 we have got a purple sponge. It's got no logo on anything like that, but it feels really nice. It actually feels like a bit like the cocoa sponges I get my niece. Yeah, that is really nice. I might give that a go. Like, that is a nice sponge, not gonna lie. So that was day number 2. So I'm happy with the sponge, not so much on the lip gloss. So we want day number 3, which is a big day here, but it is light as a feather. And it's the same like Shrek logo. We've got a candy cane style hairband. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. I don't know whether I wish it was more like for the theme of the calendar, but yeah, we've got that, and I will wear this at Christmas time, like, but I don't know whether I feel like it's worth the £3. So that was day number 3. We went to day number 4. Is here. We've got the Shrek Revolution. Oh, he's all know this. This I think is a highlighter. I will use this most likely. Oh my god, look at this. I think I will use this as an eyeshadow because I feel like it would be a bit dark as a highlight for me. But that's fab when they're like this size pan, because you can, if they're not the right shade like for your face, you can most generally 90% of the time use it as an eyeshadow. This is the shade there. Yeah, that is definitely like an eyeshadow shade for me, but I'm so chuffed with that. I never really wear highlighter anyway, so I will use that as a eyeshadow. That was day number 4. We want day number 5, which is here. We have got the liquid eyeshadow. This is another one that I'll open it. I'm not really a big liquid eyeshadow wearer, but this is what it looks like. Oh my god, that looks like melted gold. Okay, we'll swatch this one. Oh my god, look at that. Wow, that looks like melted gold. Stunning. I'm actually quite excited about trying that. Not the biggest liquid eyeshadow wearer, but I'm not the biggest eyeshadow wearer, to be honest. So, wow. Right, that was day number 5. We went day number 6, which it's got there. Oh, I love this calendar. We have got the most gorgeous sparkly lip gloss. If this is a clear sparkly lip gloss, this would be stunning. I feel like this is going to be sheer, yeah. Now this I can get on board with. It's like a sheer wash of a red tinge with so much glitter in. I'm so chuffed with that. This is Charming lip gloss. So it's got Prince Charming on. We want day number 7. Which is here. We've got the most greenest something brow gel. I love that. And it's got, I think it's got Shrek on. Yeah, it's got Shrek on. Oh, I love that. Does it have a scent? I don't know if I'm imagining it, but I feel like it's apple. And it's the Shrek brow gel. I love that day. That is something I will use. That is number 7. We want day number 8, which is here. We have got, oh my god, what is this? This is blusher. That cannot be blusher. That cannot be blusher. Oh my god, it's purple. Wow. And it is purple. Oh, but once you blend it out, it actually like goes to like a very pale pink. Okay, we'll see how I get on with that. Wow, they weren't shy on that. That was day number 8. We went to day number 9, which is this one here. We have got a lipstick, I think. Yeah, it is a lipstick, and it has got the pigs on it. It is a nude toned lipstick. Number 10 is this one here. We have got some brushes. Now they're very small and for the price of this calendar. But you know what? Actually, I don't like this shape brush. But this one here, I will most likely use this, and it has Revolution Shrek on. But honestly, I don't know. I just don't like that brush, to be honest. They put it in the full-size version in the of Avon calendars. I just don't like it. I could try it. I could try, but yeah. We have some brushes. I wish they were more eye related, to be honest. That was 10. We want day number 11 is here. We have got a mirror. Oh my god, for the price of this calendar, I just don't think we should have a mirror in it. It's cute though. I mean, and it goes with the theme. But yeah, for the price of this calendar, I just don't think we should have a mirror. Especially because it's only a 12-day advent calendar. Day number 12, which is the final day. We have got the Shrek Revolution, Not My Gumdrop Buttons advent calendar eyeshadow palette. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's a warm tone palette though. So pretty. Like, I mean, it's actually stunning. And that is what the eyeshadow palette looks like there. Look at this stunning colours. I feel like it's the shades of him, basically. So that is the Revolution Shrek Gingy advent calendar unboxing. At the £45 mark, I feel like it's very pricey, but I knew what I was getting and I just bought it because I was so excited about it. It was like the novelty of it. And the tin, I really wanted the tin, so I do feel like the tin is like one of the items because I mean, I just love it. But overall, am I overly excited with the items in it? I'm going to say no. I definitely understand how it's been reduced and I feel like it might go down even more. But if it is something you want, I feel like this is not one that they're going to have lots of stock on. So I would maybe get it now while you can. But I do feel like it might go down in price, but I don't know for definite. But it is down to 36 at the minute and it is, I feel like, a Beauty Bay exclusive. Link it down below if it's one for you or if you've got a kid that loves Shrek or something like that. It might be a good gift idea because I feel like when it's a gift for someone, you don't mind paying that little bit more. But in monetary value, is that right? I don't think it's physically worth it. I think it has to be worth it, like, to the person in general, like, with whether they'd be excited about it and things like that, you know what I mean? But yeah, that is the unboxing of that advent calendar. And anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these type of videos, I would love to be subscribed down below. And I mean, if you want me to do like a get ready with me with these items, I definitely will. There's lots more advent calendars videos to come as well, so I will see you all in my next one. Bye.